Welcome to the MicroRidge booth at the IMTS show in Chicago. What we want to talk about today is Mobile Collect Wireless and its latest edition, Rover Base, which gives you total mobility for your measurement collection. The basic wireless system consists of your gauge, such as a caliper, a micrometer, a digital indicator, and the transmitter, or as we refer to it as the mobile module. The transmitter mobile module sends information to the base, which then forwards the information on to the computer. To take a reading, merely press the read button on the mobile module. You get some LED indicators here on the mobile module indicating, one, you got a reading from the gauge, and two, you got an acknowledgement from the base. All of the measurements that are sent from Mobile Collect are all encrypted, so you don't have to worry about security issues. Our mobile module supports literally any gauge that's manufactured, whether it be a digital gauge like in calipers, micrometers, or RS-232 devices. We just demonstrated getting a single read from a gauge. One of the unique features of Mobile Collect is that we can do continuous read mode. We're reading this gauge about every 2 seconds. So when you see these lights go on steady, that says, I'm getting a reading, and we're sending the information back to the computer. We talked about the mobile module on gauges such as calipers, and the mobile module is battery operated. But if you've got a situation where you need to connect to something that isn't a mobile device, such as the height gauge that we have here, we have a remote that's powered by an AC adapter, and this remote can receive commands from a base to tell the remote to acquire a reading from, in this case, the height gauge. The newest addition to our Mobile Collect family is Rover Base. With Rover Base, you have total mobility for your measurement collection. You can take your measuring gauge and the handheld out to the part to be measured. You configure Rover Base through your PC, download your parts. After you've collected your measurements, you send the measurement information back to the PC, create CSV files, and these files can be loaded into literally any application, such as the SPC applications, Minitab, Excel, etc. Let's just quickly take a look at a couple of the screens within Rover Base. This is the measurement collection screen. When I press the read button on the gauge, the measurement goes into the feature. If I put in a measurement that's out of spec, the background is red. I'm back in spec, the background goes to green. If I put in a measurement that's just outside any reasonable limits, you can have it set up to have Rover Base say, do you really want to save this measurement? I don't think that makes sense. And you then have the option saying, yeah, that's a valid measurement, or no, I accidentally clicked on the read button. So let's not save that measurement. To view reports on Rover Base, and once again, we've got a touch screen here. You can click on the Reports tab, and what we have here is information, statistical information. If you want to look at the histograms, this particular part we're looking at has 3 features. So there are 3 different histograms, one for each feature. If you want to look at control charts, there are, once again, a control chart for each feature. And these control charts, if we kind of look back real quickly at the measurement collection display, as you're taking measurements, you can have the control chart displayed directly on the screen. What we do is measurement collection. We interface your gauges to the computer. We've built a lot of flexibility into our wireless products. And if you are considering wireless measurement collection, be sure to contact us so that you fully understand the advantages of Mobile Collect and the Rover Base wireless measurement collection systems.